So if you've watched any of my Plant of the Day series, you'll know that I film a lot of my videos in and around the coast of East Lothian in Scotland, which is where I live at the moment. But I'm actually now in an area where I grew up in South London. I'm at Wadden Ponds, and if you know South London, you probably know the River Wandle, and Wadden Ponds is the source of the Wandle. It's a series of springs, the water surfaces having flowed mainly from the North Downs, and from here the river stretches across southwest London and comes out into the Thames at Wandsworth. So why am I telling you that? Because I'm going to focus today on bamboo. And if you know anything about bamboo, you know that it's not native to Croydon, which is where we are. It's native to China, Japan, parts of Asia, parts of Australasia. But I'm featuring bamboo today to illustrate the bamboo problem. Now, let me be very clear. I love bamboo. It's one of my favourite plants. I use it in most of my gardens. But you have to be very careful with bamboo because it spreads like crazy. And I don't know how it ended up being planted here in this public park next to the water, but those are conditions out in the open where it will get plenty of sun. Those are conditions that are going to induce certain types of bamboo to run, in other words, to spread and spread and spread and spread. So that's what's happened here. And as you can see, the bamboo is engulfing all the other trees and planting around. It's got very large, it's got very thick. There's probably about 10 feet thick here between where I am and the ponds. And it basically gets out of control and is really difficult to eradicate once you've got it. So if you plant bamboo in your garden, you have to ensure that you have some barriers around it, some root barriers, so that it will not spread. Now, it's right that some species of bamboo spread more than others. Some have what they call clumping rhizomes, which means that the length on the nodes of the rhizomes is quite short, so they only spread very slowly and very gradually. Some have running rhizomes, and this is what this species of bamboo has. Running rhizomes have long internodal areas, so a long distance between each of the nodes, and it's at the nodes the new culms arise. So you need to get a clumping bamboo for your garden. If you get a running bamboo, you need to really enclose it in some tough barriers, and you can see how this one, you can see the new culm growing here, how this is looking to spread even further out from where it currently is. And those will probably be cut down when the grass is cut, but if you don't take care, you will find that the bamboo will get out of control. So a fantastic plant, beautiful leaves, beautiful stems which are culms, really architectural, looks great in sort of exotic tropical planting schemes, but you just need to be really careful with it. Plant it in a way that's going to prevent it spreading, and choose varieties that are less liable to spread. So this is Martin Cole at gardeningstepbystep.com. Please like, subscribe to the video, and then you'll get more of the videos coming through on your feed.